In our previous class, we have already learned several reactions of aromatic nitro compound. Today, we will discuss another interesting reaction, which is von Richter reaction. Now, what is von Richter reaction? When aromatic nitro compound is treated with aqueous alcoholic KCN solution, then a carboxylic acid gets substituted to the benzene ring with the removal of original nitro group. And this carboxylic acid group always enters at the ortho position with respect to the removed nitro group. Similar results are also obtained when benzene nucleus contains another substituent, for example halogen. And this halogen is present at ortho or para position with respect to this nitro group. For example, para-chloronitrobenzene gives meta-chlorobenzoic acid under same condition. Initially, it was believed that the reaction was sign substitution type reaction and an aryl nitrile was the intermediate. Because here cyanide is the reagent and it undergoes hydrolysis to form carboxylic acid under the reaction condition. It was also thought that all the nitrogen was converted to ammonia during the reaction. The reason behind of this type of thinking was that ammonia is evolved during the cyanide hydrolysis, so this would also indicate the formation of aryl nitrile intermediate. But actually, this is not a simple case of cyanide hydrolysis to carboxylic acid. For example, meta-bromocyanobenzene under von Richter condition does not give any product. That means it does not give any meta-bromobenzoic acid. In fact, this meta-bromobenzoic acid is obtained when this von Richter condition is applied on this compound, which is para-bromonitrobenzene. That means this para-bromonitrobenzene is converted to meta-bromobenzoic acid in a mechanism that does not involve this intermediate. Again, it was found that nitrogen was evolved during the reaction, which means there should be nitrogen-nitrogen bond formation during the reaction. So, keeping all these facts into the mind, scientist Rosenblum proposed a mechanism. Let us see the mechanism. At first, nucleophilic attack takes place at the ortho position with respect to this nitro group. Then after aromatization, we will get this compound. In this compound, this cyano and nitro are very close to each other. So, this oxygen can easily attack the cyanide carbon, and after this type of delocalization, we will get this orthonitrosoamide compound. And this compound can also be written in this way, so that now this nitrogen lone pair attack this red nitrogen, and after minus H plus plus H plus, we will get this compound. After removal of water, we will get this 5-member cyclic intermediate. Then solvent water molecule attack this carbon, and after proper delocalization, we will get our final product, which is meta-bromobenzoic acid, along with evolution of molecular nitrogen. See, In this carboxylic acid, one oxygen is coming from this nitro group and another oxygen from the solvent water. And in this evolved nitrogen molecule, one nitrogen is from this nitro group and another from cyanide. An interesting application of von Richter reaction is the preparation of certain substituted benzene which are otherwise very difficult to prepare by usual methods. For example, we try to synthesize this compound. This is 2-bromo-3-methyl benzoic acid. We start from this compound para-nitrotoluene. After bromination, we will get this bromo compound which is subjected to von Richter reaction, and finally we will get our target molecule, that is 2-bromo-3-methyl benzoic acid. There are several other applications also. We will discuss them in our next class. Thank you.